Alright, hold on for a second. Gotta hold this board straight. What's going on, y'all? I just wanted to do a quick disclaimer before I get into this next video. I wanted to let you guys know that this is a way to EQ vocals with problems, but the best way to get your recordings done is to get a good recording to begin with. So that's just, that's my quick disclaimer for this video. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Dreamer from Got Better Beats, and as you can see on the screen, I was planning on doing a series on Cubase and Maschine because I've been using them together for beat making and production, and I'll explain why in the series, but this is kind of just like bonus behind the scenes. And as you can see, I'm using an Action Cam, just a cheap Amazon Action Cam as my webcam. It's a little laggy, but if y'all like the look, let me know and I'll invest in maybe a GoPro until I get the camera that I am striving to get. So, y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe on these videos. But I just wanted to kind of show you how sometimes you have to be careful recording in not so perfect environments. You have to be careful when it comes to mixing, because this environment right here is not actually a not perfect environment, but I still have to get my ideas out. And I want you, and as you can see, I know you're seeing, like, what are all those dips? Those are problem areas in this vocal, and one main one on 7. I want you to hear this is a ringing in there, so I want you to listen.
Martin, you can be my Gina, long as
you hear that ringing, and if I bring it up,
I'm singing to you.
Yeah, it's a very sharp ringing.
I love when,
and I'm sorry if that was a little loud. Let's just loop this part right here, this short part.
Martin, you.
And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go down the line, and I'm gonna turn up the gain so you can hear what I did.
Martin, you. You can be.
Okay, and what that was just like some real boxy, low frequency stuff that I really don't care to have in the vocal.
Martin. Long as we're together, don't let nothing come between.
And that's the same thing.
Martin. Long as we're together, don't let nothing come between.
And
Martin.
And that was like some real nasal frequency. So as you can see, and I'm not sure if it might have been the way I was recording, because I've been using this mic in ways I normally wouldn't. But being that sometimes the AC unit, I'm not sure if you can hear the hum right now, but I try to record close up on this mic, and this is a condenser mic, so I'm pretty sure I did get all kind of frequencies that wasn't supposed to be in there, because usually if you can see, you should probably have this much space in between your mic and your mouth, and it should be a pop filter or something like that. But being that I'm using it kind of like a broadcast mic, that's why I have my little fuzzy on here, because this is actually a vintage, very popular mic. This is the AKG C414. So all you gearheads out there, don't beat me up for using it kind of like a Shure SM7B or something like that. But as you can see, I just wanted to show you, and this is the Frequency VST by Cubase Pro. This is a free app. I do not own the FabFilter plugins just yet. I was thinking about it, but I'm not sure if I need to pull the plug right now. I do love their stuff. I used their stuff for a while back, using the trial version, but I'm not sure if I want to pull the plug on it, but I do think eventually I will. But make sure you like and subscribe to this video, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Well, this was just a really quick tip on how to, well, first of all, you want to know how to go about eliminating these bad frequencies. So to be able to listen, you need an EQ that's going to let you solo your bands. And when you solo your bands, you need to make sure that you have a very tight Q on them. The Q is how wide the band is that you want to control. So that's why I have all these Qs actually turned up as high as they can go, because I just really want to eliminate these single frequencies. But I do hope that you guys enjoy this video, and yeah. Make sure you go check out gotbetterbeats.com if you're looking for beats, or if you need mixing, or if you just want to check out the website and you want to actually sign up on the email list. Make sure you do that. And like I always say, guys, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay creative. Peace.